Hello, today's video is going to be how to make this origami crane. So this lovely little paper bird will be in today's video. Now to start, you will need a square piece of paper. So a lot of origami paper comes in this size, which I will show you is 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. However, you can use any square piece of paper, so any size. So this 15 by 15 centimeter is going to make this size crane. If you want to make a smaller crane, you can get a smaller paper. This crane is made with 1/4 of this paper. So if you fold it in half 2 times, and then you can cut it into a smaller square, like this size, that will make this size crane. I'll make this one. And if you make it even smaller, you can make a little tiny mini crane. All right, let's get started. You do not need to use a ruler, but something with a flat edge like a card is helpful because it will keep your lines firm and will make it easier to fold. So our first step is to fold your paper in half. So I call this hot dog way. Fold it in half like this. So one more time, all I did was I folded it in half, and I will use my ruler to just make that a nice strong edge. Then I will open it up and fold it in half the other way, exactly the same. There we go. When you open it up, it should look like this. Now I'm going to fold it in half in a triangle. So this way. Open it up, and the exact same way on the opposite corner. When I open it up now, it will look like this. I'm going to point the corner of the triangle towards me. I'm going to make sure these lines are really tight from our original 2 folds. And I'm going to make this sort of shape where the sides come in and the top comes down. So one more time, point towards me. I'm going to bring the 2 sides in and the top down. So we now have this shape that opens here. So make sure the open end is pointed towards you. And you are now going to fold one of the side top layers to that middle line. So the children call this an ice cream fold, because we're going to do the same thing on the other side, and it will look like an ice cream cone. Flip it over and do the same thing. Fold this corner into the center line. Again, you can use your ruler to tighten your folds. And now we have an ice cream cone. We will be opening up what we just did, and even opening up the top layer here. We are now going to fold the sides in like this and flatten it down. So it turns into this shape here. And again, you can use your ruler to make your folds tight. I'm going to show you one more time on the other side. So you open everything up, like a big mouth, and push the sides down. And it's okay if it's not so beautiful on your first try. You can try again and again to get it perfect. Will now look like this. You have the 2 that move and the 2 like this. All right, from the two that move, we are going to make these skinnier. So we're going to take that corner and we're going to fold it to the middle line. So it will look like this. And do the same thing on the opposite side. Take the corner and fold it in to that center line. So now looks like this. Flip it over and do the exact same on the other side. Fold the sides to the middle. So we now have these two legs that move like this, and these two that move like this. We are going to fold over one side, flip it over, same thing, fold one side to the right to make it look like this. Next, we're going to take the bottom point and move it all the way up to the top with these other points. So, like this. Flip it over, do the same thing. Now, again, we're going to take just one layer here and fold it to the side. So it looks like this. Flip it over, do the same thing, only one layer over to the side. Now, I'm going to take this top and we're going to use this area here as our line to fold down to. So when you fold down, you'll see a little triangle poke up there. One more time, this is going to fold the bottom of the triangle down. Flip it over and do the same thing. Fold the bottom down. You make a triangle here and a little triangle there. Will pop out. Now, one of these that stick out is going to be the head and one is going to be the tail. So as you can see, if you have any imperfect folds, one will look a little bit nicer. So I usually use the one that's not as nice to fold into a little head. So I just bent it down, and the one that's nicer can stay up. When we hold these two wings and pull, we have now completed our crane. At the bottom of your crane, there's a little hole. If you blow some air into that hole, it will pop out like this and be a little bit fatter and nicer looking. And there you have it. Paper origami crane made in about 5 minutes, maybe even faster if you're not talking as much as I am. Easy and fun. And if you believe in the ancient myth, you can make 1,000 of these and get a wish. Happy crafting. Bye.